In this video, we're going to be talking about how to repair iPhone Compass Not Calibrating. So let's just get straight into the video. First things first, what you want to do is simply go ahead and open your settings and then head into your privacy and security right over here. And once you've done that, then simply head into your location services and then head into your system services right over here. Go ahead and look for that and click on that, and you can simply go ahead and turn these all off and then turn it on after a couple of seconds, and that is going to go ahead and fix your problem. If it doesn't, then what you want to do is simply go ahead and reset your iPhone settings, and that is going to be by heading into general again and scrolling all the way down to transfer reset. Click on reset and click on reset all settings. It is as simple as that. I hope this video clarifies everything for you. If it did, hit that like button and I'll see you on the next one.